Hi, good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to give a brief introduction to computer programming. Let me start. Computer programming is the process of creating instructions that tell a computer what to do. So, these instructions are written in programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, and JavaScript. Just as a human use languages to communicate with each other, programmers use programming languages to communicate with computers. So, programming is used to create software applications, websites, mobile apps, games, and many other digital tools that we use every day. Every program is made up of a series of commands that the computer follows step by step to perform a specific task. So, to become a programmer, it is important to learn basic concepts such as variables, data types, operators, loops, and decision-making statements. So, these concepts help programmers solve problems and develop efficient solutions. Computer programming also improves logical thinking, creativity, and problem solving skills. It is one of the most valuable skills in today's technology driven world and offers many career opportunities in software development, data science, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and many other fields. In conclusion, computer programming is the foundation of modern technology. By learning programming, we gain the ability to create useful application and contribute to technological innovation. Thank you for listening.